Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the best OCR software that you can right now use. So the first one is called like Abby Fine Reader. This is the first one that I want to share. It's one of the best and most established OCR solutions. Now for the plans and pricing, let's say when you go for individual, you have monthly for 16 euro a month, for example. For yearly it's 99. Now it's document comparison, annotations, comments, a batch processing for handling multiple documents in various output formats, and advanced document classification using machine learning. So this is something that you can actually get with Abby. And also it can be like slow with large complex files and occasional crashes during intensive tasks. So, but that's pretty much it. Other than that, you can have automated documents analysis with AI, one-time perpetual license, and also supports 192 documents. So that's something that languages. So that's something that is like very good, as you can see. Checking out. Okay. Now the first one is like the second one is a doc parser. So right here it's a cloud-based AI document parser that turns document into structured data. Drop or email any document, automatically reads text and extracts fields you define, handles PDFs, images, emails, spreadsheets, HTML and more. Also multiple parsing modes, zonal OCR, dynamic OCR adapts to fields that shifts position, also integrates with Google Sheets, Excel, Salesforce and many others. So that's like very good. And you're gonna find here the pricing, and for the pricing plans you're gonna have the monthly, which is going to be like $39 a month. Or you can have like monthly right here, and you can choose based on the features like what you need. But the doc parser is also interesting one that you can have like as a data extraction from your business documents. And as you can see, this is how it looks like. So yeah, doc parser, another one. Now the next one is also Parsio. I don't know if you know about it. So it's kind of like AI powered data extraction tool for PDFs, emails, and other documents. Also AI PDF parser with OCR, extra data including complex tables, supports multiple languages including Latin and European languages, handles invoices, business cards, IT documents, and more. And then you're gonna have also advanced email parser, so extracts data from the emails and attachments. And you can have like easy template creation by highlighting text to contract. So this is something that you're gonna actually have. And built-in template for popular platforms like Hero, Airbnb, LinkedIn. And it also going to have plenty of integrations like Google Sheets here, Slack, QuickBooks, Google Drive. And for the pricing, as you can see, you can have also the sandbox, which is kind of like the free trial. But then you're going to have the $49. I really like that you're going to have also the sandbox here for you to actually like check out. And Parsio is like another one. Now, Adobe Acrobat DC Pro is also interesting one, only because with that you can have renowned OCR software with comprehensive features, document cloud integration, smooth integration with other Adobe apps, advanced text editing after OCR, language detection, collaboration tools, monthly and annual subscription plans. So that's like another one. And then also what I want to share with you is a Wondershell PDF element. That's like another one for you to check out. So you can have also OCR technology for converting scanned PDFs into editable and searchable documents. Also fast, reliable and powerful OCR engine, supports 20 plus languages. Editing scanned PDFs is easy as editing Word document. Newly added texting with existing fonts. And no Adobe software required. So yeah, these are the ones that I want to actually like share with you. You can have also like the free download, but then you can have like upsells and things like that. So hope it provides a little bit of value what you can actually expect out of the tool, and have a great day guys, and goodbye.